Hello there, my name is Darrell Hammond. I have a website, darrellhammond.com. Go ahead and go there and check it out at your leisure. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. I'd appreciate your input. So we are on a bonus page for a product called Onyxx, and we are going to be showing you that product here momentarily. So Onyxx is a new product, and it is being introduced to us by Art Flair and Team Black Belt. So now back to the bonus page. Our bonus page has a bunch of these big red buttons on it. You can click on any of these big bonus buttons or big buttons and you can pick up a copy starting tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So the bonus page has an overview of what the product is, and we will kind of go over that in a few minutes. It has all the bonuses that I have to offer you, and before we get too much further showing you the bonuses, you'll see Jono Armstrong is the name here. Basically what it's going on is I'm not stealing from him. I am in a program, a training program called Ministry of Freedom, where he is teaching me all this great stuff about review videos and affiliate marketing. And he allows us to utilize these bonus pages as our own and give away these bonuses as our own bonuses to you if you pick up these links, or if you pick up this product through the links on this bonus page. The bonus page link is in the description below the video. Right down there, go ahead and click on it and it'll take you to this bonus page. So anyways, I have 4 different bonuses for you today. The first one is, and it's only good for the first 12 hours, so you're going to want to act fast. Maybe set an alarm on your phone or something for tomorrow morning so that when this thing goes live, you can pick up a copy of your own. And you'll get access to Equinox Pro Unlimited for the first 12 hours. So you'll want to take advantage of that offer. The next bonus we're going to have for you is access to Jono's branding hacks. We have a third bonus called A Secret Behind the Scene of a 5-figure affiliate marketing campaign. The fourth bonus is exclusive access to Octane Pro. And so finally, the fifth bonus is all the vendor bonuses that are included with your purchase from the vendor. So those are the bonuses that I have to offer for you. And before we get any further and cover this all over again, let's go ahead and jump on inside the dashboard of what you'll be getting when you pick up Onyxx via any of the big red buttons on this bonus page. And once again, the link to this bonus page is in the description down there, right down there. See it? Click on it. It'll take you to this bonus page. So here we are inside the dashboard of Onyxx, and they are still working on it. Some of the stuff isn't quite working the way it should that I've noticed, but I'm sure it's going to be a great product. And so what it is an 8-in-1 video tool, research, video creator, image creator. There's a whole bunch of great little tools inside this one product. You're going to be able to research products via ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. There's a product sentiment analysis where you can put in a keyword and find out what the social media sentiment is towards that keyword. There's a YouTube stats tool where you can just input a keyword here and it'll pull up a whole bunch of videos, give you all the likes, the dislikes, the comments, the views, all kinds of extra information that you can use to research maybe what you want to create a video on next, or maybe what niche you could maybe go into. A lot of great information is available through this YouTube stats tool. So next down the list is a live video ranker, and so what this does is it integrates with YouTube and it will post your video live as a live preview. And what happens is YouTube views this as a live event and it helps rank your video to the top of the search results. You'll get a live case study. There's also an image and a video creator, which is nice. The custom video creator, you give it a title, you select images that you want to utilize, you select upload your video or your audio for the video. You can also put in text, and then what will happen is it will use a built-in text to audio converter, so it will read the it will read all your text and then input that into your video. And you have a lot of options here. You can also create videos that are in several different languages, which is really nice, so you can reach a whole new demographic. So there's also a built-in image editor where you can upload an image and you can create your thumbnails here. You don't have to have an extra thumbnail program or go to a different software to do that. Say create new. You have all these stickers that you can use. You can do drawing, you can add shapes, you can add text, you can crop, rotate, resize, round the corners, change the color. There are filters that you can use. So if you have an image on there, you can apply different filters. So there's all kinds of great tools inside this software. So let's take a look at some of the videos. So this is a sample of the type of video that you can make. It's basically, it takes a bunch of still images and the text or the audio that you download, mixes it together and creates a video for you. You don't have to show your face, and it does all the work for you. You just have to upload the images, type in the text that you want it to read, and then this is what you'll get.
Hey people, have a great day.
So you can see there the potential for this is pretty cool. So this is the YouTube event section where you enter your title, you enter your description, you enter your tags. This interacts with YouTube, so you don't even have to get on YouTube. In the settings area, you're gonna, when you first get this, you're going to upload and add your channel. After you've created a video, all you have to do is create an event, title it, add your description, add your tags. It talks and it interacts with YouTube, and it'll upload that video for you. So there you go, Onyxx. Pretty interesting software program. Let's go ahead and jump back over to the bonus page. Here we are back on my bonus page. So we have an overview of what Onyxx is. It's an easy commission online generating free high quality targeted video traffic. It's a cloud-based video traffic app that helps drive razor targeted traffic for free. You can create instant videos in any niche and then rank them on page 1 of Google and drive traffic forever. So some of the key benefits: you get an image editor, you get the image to video creator, you get the built-in link sharing element, you get a video analysis page, you get the live event creation, you get the research module so you can do all the research about all the different products, as well as the video research that's available inside. There's the product sentiment analysis, which works with Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube. So there's a lot of great research potential that's available with this software. So let's go over the prices and upsells real fast. The front end offer, $17. You get access to the powerful Onyxx software and all the training modules. Upsell number 1, and there is a downsell of $47. So upsell number 1, $67. Downsell of $47. You get Onyxx Advanced, that'll take you to the next level. You can do multiple video editing and create unlimited traffic. So you get unlimited video creation. You create videos with more than 400 words. You record your own audio. You can add bookmarks, logos, a lower third, image editor. So the image editor must not be available unless you get that first upsell. So I guess if you're going to take advantage of this software, you're going to want to get the front end offer, and then you're probably going to be able to unlock all of its potential, you're going to want to get at least downsell or upsell number 1 and purchase it on the downsell. You'll get a $20 discount. Upsell number 2 is $47. Is a downsell of $37. It's Onyxx Expert. Helps you scale your business and branding along with DFY proven affiliate campaigns. You can rebrand existing videos, enter a URL, and get all the related videos from YouTube. So that's pretty cool. So upsell number 3, Onyxx Done For You. It's $47. There's a downsell of $27. You get the DFY Evergreen affiliate campaigns, automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, engagement posts, squeeze pages, stock music, and images. So you get a lot of extra. So this would probably go a long way to help you create a lot of videos. So you get all these different campaigns as well as the music and the images included. Upsell number 4 is the reseller. It's $197 with a $67 downsell. You can make upwards to $498 per sell. You get the reseller's license to Onyxx, plus you get reseller license to 5 additional funnels, plus all the promo material. Upsell number 5 is the 6-figure training. It's $47. You get all that super affiliate training, Instagram traffic module, Google AdWords module, and product creation module. Upsell number 6 is an Onyxx case studies. You get it for $37. Copy and paste 8 real life case studies. Each one made them thousands of dollars. It's 100% done for you. So there you go, some of the other key benefits. It's great for newbies, works within minutes. The traffic is there. Complete autopilot, works in any niche. No experience necessary. It's web-based, and the nice thing about it is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You get to give it a try, make sure it works properly, and then if it does, hang on to it, use it, make some money. Any claims to being able to make money are all related to the amount of effort that you put into the training, into the program, and how you make it work. There's no guarantees ever, except for the 30-day money guarantee that's included in the product. Like I said, click on any of these big red buttons. They are on this bonus page. The link to the bonus page is in the description below. Let's go over the bonuses again. So bonus number 1 is access to Equinox Pro, unlimited access, and you get that for the first 12 hours only. So set your reminder and pick up Onyxx when it goes live tomorrow morning, July 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bonus number 2, access to Jono's branding hacks. Bonus number 3 is a secret behind the scene of a 5-figure affiliate marketing campaign. Bonus number 4 is exclusive access to Octane Pro. And then of course bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses that are included with the purchase of Onyxx. So there you have it. Grab your bonuses before the timer runs out. Click any of these big red buttons. Pick up your copy of Onyxx when it goes live tomorrow morning, July 18th, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. My name's Darrell Hammond. I appreciate you stopping by, taking a gander at this review video. You can check out my website at darrellhammond.com. Go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Your interaction helps my videos rank, and I appreciate you for doing so. So have a great day, and I will talk to you later. See ya.